Welcome to Neural Nickels. Today, we're diving into the 50-30-20 rule, a simple yet powerful budgeting framework designed to help you manage your finances effectively. This rule suggests allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. By following this structure, you can gain clarity on your spending habits and prioritize your financial goals. Budgeting is essential for maintaining financial health, as it helps you track your expenses, avoid debt, and build a safety net for the future. The benefits of the 50-30-20 rule are great. It promotes mindful spending, encourages saving, and ultimately leads to greater financial freedom. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances, stick around as we explore how to implement this rule effectively. Understanding the 50-30-20 rule, breaking down its components. The 50-30-20 rule is all about balance in your budget. Let's start with the 50% allocation for needs. This portion covers essential expenses like housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Basically, everything you need to live and work. For example, your rent or mortgage payment and monthly bills fall into this category. Next, we have the 30% allocation for wants. This is where you can indulge in non-essential items that enhance your lifestyle, such as dining out, entertainment, or travel. While these aren't necessities, they play a crucial role in your overall happiness and well-being. Finally, the 20% allocation is dedicated to savings and debt repayment. This includes contributions to your emergency fund, retirement accounts, and paying off credit card debt. Prioritizing this portion helps secure your financial future and reduces stress. Benefits of the 50-30-20 rule: unlocking financial freedom. Implementing the 50-30-20 rule simplifies budgeting for individuals by providing a clear framework to follow. Instead of getting lost in complex spreadsheets, you can easily categorize your expenses, making it straightforward to track where your money goes each month. This rule also promotes financial stability and growth. By ensuring that a portion of your income is allocated to savings and debt repayment, you're building a safety net while reducing financial stress. Over time, this can lead to increased savings and improved credit scores. One of the best aspects of the 50-30-20 rule is its flexibility. It can adapt to various income levels, making it accessible for everyone, from students to seasoned professionals. Whether you earn a modest salary or a high income, this budgeting method can be tailored to fit your unique financial situation, helping you achieve your goals with ease. How to implement the 50-30-20 rule. Practical steps to get started. Ready to take control of your finances with the 50-30-20 rule? First, start by tracking your income and expenses. List all your sources of income and categorize your monthly expenses into needs, wants, and savings. This will give you a clear picture of your financial landscape. Next, consider using budgeting tools or apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or Pocket Guard. These platforms can help you easily categorize your spending and stay on track with your budget. Finally, set specific financial goals that align with the 50-30-20 rule. Whether it's saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or paying off debt, having clear objectives will motivate you to stick to your budget. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering the 50-30-20 rule and achieving financial success. Common mistakes to avoid. Navigating the 50-30-20 rule effectively. When applying the 50-30-20 rule, one common pitfall is inaccurately categorizing expenses. It's crucial to clearly define what constitutes needs versus wants. Misclassifying these can lead to overspending and disrupt your budget. Another mistake is neglecting the savings portion or overspending on wants. Remember, the 20% allocated for savings and debt repayment is vital for your financial health. If you find yourself frequently splurging on non-essentials, it can hinder your progress toward financial stability. Lastly, don't forget to regularly review and adjust your budget. Life changes, and so do your financial circumstances. By reassessing your income and expenses periodically, you can ensure that your budget remains aligned with your goals. Staying proactive will help you avoid these common mistakes and make the most of the 50-30-20 rule. Real-life examples. Applying the 50-30-20 rule in everyday life. Let's look at a sample budget breakdown for someone earning $4,000 a month. According to the 50-30-20 rule, they would allocate $2,000 for needs, like rent, utilities, and groceries, $1,200 for wants, such as dining out, entertainment, and hobbies, and $800 for savings and debt repayment. This clear structure helps them manage their finances effectively. Now visualize your own budgeting scenario. Consider your income and expenses, and think about how you can apply the 50-30-20 rule to achieve your financial goals. Embracing the 50-30-20 rule for financial success. The 50-30-20 rule is a powerful tool for managing personal finances effectively. By allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment, you can create a balanced budget that promotes financial stability and growth. Key takeaways include accurately categorizing your expenses, prioritizing savings, and regularly reviewing your budget to adapt to changing circumstances. We hope this video has inspired you to implement the 50-30-20 rule in your own life. Together, let's take steps toward a more secure and fulfilling financial future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.